Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking and transformative technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From healthcare to finance, education to transportation, AI is shaping the future. Join us as we explore how AI is revolutionizing different sectors and what the future holds for this amazing technology. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include problem-solving, decision-making, learning, and language understanding. AI has advanced rapidly over the past few years, and its applications now span across various industries. The technology is designed to make life easier, improve efficiency, and solve complex challenges that humans alone may struggle to tackle. AI is transforming the healthcare sector in profound ways. One of the key uses of AI in healthcare is in diagnostics. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays or MRIs, with higher accuracy than the human eye. AI is also used in predicting patient outcomes, analyzing genetic data, and developing personalized treatment plans. Additionally, AI helps in drug discovery, speeding up the development of new medicines by identifying potential compounds more efficiently. The financial industry is another sector benefiting from AI. AI algorithms are used to automate trading, monitor transactions for fraud, and manage risks. AI-powered chatbots are increasingly used in customer service, handling routine queries and freeing up human agents for more complex tasks. Machine learning models also help in credit scoring and personalized financial advice. This not only improves efficiency but also makes financial systems more secure. The future of transportation is closely linked to AI. Self-driving cars are perhaps the most well-known example of AI in transportation. Companies like Tesla, Google, and Uber are working on AI systems that allow vehicles to navigate roads safely without human intervention. AI is also used in traffic management systems to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve road safety. These advancements are not only changing how we travel but are also helping to reduce emissions and energy consumption. Retailers are leveraging AI to personalize the shopping experience for customers. AI-powered recommendation systems suggest products based on browsing history and preferences, making it easier for consumers to find what they need. AI is also used to optimize inventory management, ensuring that stores are stocked with the right products at the right time. In addition, AI-driven chatbots assist customers with queries, while AI-based visual search tools help shoppers find items with just a photo. Education is being transformed by AI, making learning more personalized and accessible. AI-powered platforms can analyze a student's learning style, strengths, and weaknesses, tailoring educational content to meet individual needs. This allows students to learn at their own pace, whether they are ahead or need extra help. AI also helps in grading assignments, providing feedback, and even tutoring. By reducing the workload on teachers and offering personalized support, AI is reshaping education for both students and educators. The manufacturing industry has seen tremendous growth thanks to AI. AI-powered robots are capable of performing repetitive tasks with precision, increasing production speed and reducing human error. Machine learning algorithms are used to monitor machinery and predict maintenance needs before breakdowns occur, preventing costly downtime. AI is also revolutionizing quality control by identifying defects in products during production, ensuring higher standards and consistency. The entertainment industry is using AI to push the boundaries of creativity. AI is being used to create music, art, and even scripts for movies. In gaming, AI controls non-playable characters, NPCs, making them more responsive and intelligent, which enhances the player's experience. AI is also transforming how movies and shows are made, from special effects to editing. Streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube use AI to recommend content based on viewing habits, keeping users engaged. AI is helping farmers produce more food with fewer resources. AI-powered systems monitor crops, analyze soil conditions, and predict weather patterns, allowing farmers to make better decisions about planting and harvesting. Drones equipped with AI can scan large fields to identify areas that need attention, such as pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies. AI also helps in livestock management, monitoring the health and well-being of animals to improve productivity. AI is making our homes smarter and more comfortable. Voice-activated assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant use AI to control smart home devices such as lights, thermostats, and security systems. AI-powered security cameras can recognize faces and detect unusual activity, alerting homeowners to potential threats. These technologies make life more convenient and secure, offering homeowners greater control over their environment. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service by providing instant responses to customer queries. These virtual assistants can handle a wide range of requests, from answering frequently asked questions to processing orders. By automating routine tasks, AI allows human agents to focus on more complex issues, improving overall customer satisfaction. Virtual assistants also use natural language processing (NLP) to understand and respond to customers in a more human-like manner. As the world becomes more digital, the need for advanced cybersecurity is greater than ever. AI is playing a key role in identifying and preventing cyberattacks. AI systems can detect unusual patterns of behavior in real time, allowing them to respond to threats before they cause damage. AI is also used in securing personal data, protecting online transactions, and defending critical infrastructure from attacks. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, AI is essential in keeping our digital world safe. Marketers are increasingly using AI to better understand consumer behavior and create more effective advertising campaigns. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying trends and predicting customer preferences. This allows businesses to target the right audience with personalized ads, increasing the likelihood of engagement. AI-powered tools also help in optimizing ad placements, ensuring that marketing budgets are spent efficiently. AI is helping us explore the final frontier, space. AI-powered robots and rovers are being used to explore distant planets and moons, collecting data and performing tasks that are too dangerous for humans. AI is also helping to analyze the massive amounts of data generated by space missions, leading to new discoveries about our universe. As AI continues to advance, it will play a critical role in future space exploration efforts, from autonomous spacecraft to colonizing other planets. AI and robotics are closely linked, with AI providing the brains for intelligent robots. These robots are capable of performing complex tasks, from industrial automation to assisting in surgeries. AI-powered robots are also being used in disaster response, helping to search for survivors in dangerous environments. As AI continues to evolve, robots will become even more capable, performing tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. While AI offers many benefits, it also raises ethical concerns. Issues such as job displacement, data privacy, and algorithmic bias need to be addressed as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Governments and organizations are working to develop ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly. As we continue to embrace AI, it's important to consider its potential impact on society and take steps to mitigate any negative effects. The future of AI is incredibly exciting, with limitless possibilities for innovation and progress. From healthcare to space exploration, AI is transforming every aspect of our world. While challenges remain, there is no doubt that AI will continue to shape the future, offering solutions to some of humanity's most pressing problems. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more insights into the tech that's changing our world. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. See you in the next one.